everybody, this is Jim with Styrene Monkey. Wanted to give up a latest update of what's on the bench. Right here before you is the Jaguar XK-E new tooling by Revel. I've been working on this kit for the last 2 to 3 months, and this kit is not for the beginner. I will tell you that. This is a kit for someone that has a little bit of experience than norm in model building. This is a level 5 kit. I think it should be a level 6 or 7. This has a lot of pieces to it. I'd say well over 200 to 300 pieces. Like I said, not for the beginner, but an excellent kit. Has a lot of detail. Some details missing. I had to add some, but that's part of model building. You want to make it look good, you gotta step it up. So let's go ahead and I'll show you this. Let me turn it around here, and all the this body does come in red. That's the one thing I don't like about it. I had to prime it, and because I was going to paint it another color. If you're going to paint it red, that's fine. Just leave it red. I don't even know if I'd even prime it. But if you're going to do another light color, I definitely would prime the red plastic in this. Everything else is in gray, which is fine. So let's get this out of the way, and let's bring this up here. Now, I painted this car in the Tamiya titanium silver. Let's go ahead and zoom this up a little bit here. Like I said, I've been working on this for the last 2 to 3 months now. And the one thing about this kit, this whole framing part right here along the front, I would say the engine cradle, that comes in about 2 to 3 pieces. It's a little tricky to get this configured in here, so you can get that motor to set down in there just right. The battery that comes with this kit, also, it's so-so. I printed out a battery on my 3D printer, which has the post in it, and then I also printed out the cable ends, a battery cable. Now, this little piece here is I think it's a heater box, and I drilled this out. It comes with a decal to make it look like screen, but what I did here is I drilled it out, and I actually, I don't know if I can get this, I put this hose on here as well, but I actually put real screen in there from the back side. And the decals came with this. I got to put that back in. I was going to put, there's a spring mechanism on here on the OEM. I was going to go ahead and add that in there before I put this in. But like I said, this is a great kit. Excellent kit, by the way. Again, not for the beginner. I also added some ignition wires in here. The distributor that came with it was not the greatest. I also had to 3D print some of the ignition, or the distributor itself, because I could not drill out the holes for the distributor to get it to work. So I had to 3D print the distributor cap and rotor. And another trouble thing I had was with that bare metal foil. That I guess it was a issue with bare metal foil a year or two ago about the stickum on the back was not sticking so well. I think I got some of that bad foil. It's not doing its job. I went ahead and painted the frame in the front of the windshield here with the Revel Chrome. By the way, I want to do a video on the Revel Chrome. That Revel Chrome is expensive. It's about 30 bucks a can, but it's well worth it. I would say after you spray the Revel Chrome, you can't handle it for at least 2 to 3 days. And you can't clear coat it either. If you clear coat it, you lose the shine. So we did that on the front windshield here. Took the windshield glass, that's a whole piece. I cut it in half so you could see through the car, because I did a lot of interior work on this car. As a matter of fact, this hood here comes into like 4 to 5 pieces. The hood is one piece, and then the bottom of the hood is another piece. And then you got this frame mechanism that goes in here. These are like mud flaps for the inner fender. You have to paint those a different color. Those are not separate. This is all one piece. And then this radiator mount bracket slides into this piece. And the radiator is molded as one solid piece of this radiator. So what I did is I taped it around and used some charcoal gray to enhance the radiator that's in there, to give it some appeal when I open this hood up on it. But all in all, still got some more pieces to put on here. Another thing one thing I really didn't like about this kit was the chrome spoke wire wheels. This is what comes in the kit. They're okay. I wouldn't say they're the best. They're all one solid piece. Now, maybe if you put some panel line by Tamiya in there, it'd make it pop a little bit, but it's just, to me, it just looked kind of cheesy. Like they could have done a better job for the price you pay for this kit, about $30 plus. I got it for about $28 at my local hobby shop. I also had, like I said, I had some trouble with the piece I ruined, so I bought another kit on eBay. That was $18 plus shipping. The only reason it was $18 is because the box was damaged, but everything else was inside was okay. But like going back to these wheels, I think they're pretty crappy. They could have been a lot better. So I got on my 3D printer. I've been doing a lot of 3D printing lately. I love my 3D printer. I've been getting into it, get myself a little educated with it, and it's awesome. So here is the one that's for this model. I found the print. As you can see, each and every individual spoke on this tire or wheel is visible. You can see right through this wheel. The spinner is on there as one piece. All I got to do is cut the tree, or they call it the supports around here. And these wheels do fit the actual wheels that come with the tires, I should say, that come with the car. And they fit nicely. Fit a little loose, but they could be better. But, you know, you go with what you got. So we're going to go ahead and put these 3D wheels, spoke wheels that is, on this kit. And here, I have it in the tire here. Here's what it looks like finished. And this is using the Revel spray can chrome, like I was talking about earlier. But yeah, what do you think, guys? That came out pretty nice. So we're going to get those mounted up on here. And there's a little decal that comes in the kit for these spinners. Like I was saying, the decal sheet that comes with this kit is really freaking awesome. I mean, there's a lot of decals on here for the engine bay, for the interior, for just about everything. Like I said, won't be disappointed. But that is the Jaguar XK-E, which is the E-type of the Jaguar. I think this is mid to late 60s year. But tell me what you guys think. We'll do another video update here on the completion here soon. Waiting for some glue to come in off of Amazon that I ordered last night. And once we get that in, we can go ahead and get this these plastic windshields and side pieces in, and we'll get this completed, and we'll do another video. I hope you're all having a great day, and you all take care. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.